Hello everyone! Happy Valentine's Day! Are you also celebrating Valentine's Day? In today's video, we have something new for you. We've created a new Add Yours sticker specifically for Valentine's Day. Even if you found other stickers for this day, try ours as well. You can see how this sticker looks on the screen. I think you'll like the design. You can find this Add Yours sticker on our Instagram profile. We're listed as your digital friend. Find this Add Yours template in our story highlights, labeled templates. Click on Add Yours. Choose a picture with your loved one. Adjust the size and position of the picture. Of course, you can add details as you like. And finally, share your story. Do you like our template? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to our channel and support our work.